In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your website and email domains to HubSpot. Starting off, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. This is crucial as it allows you to access all the features and settings you'll need to complete this process. Once you're in, navigate to the trial guide. This is your one-stop shop for all the resources necessary for kicking off your form building process, so it's a handy place to begin. After you've familiarized yourself with the trial guide, move over to your home page. Here, you'll want to locate and click on the settings icon. This icon usually takes the shape of a small gear wheel, and navigating through it will open up the back-end settings of your account. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Under the Tools section, there is an option labeled Content. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll be presented with various content-related options. What you want to do here is select Domain and URLs. This is where you'll manage the domains connected to your HubSpot account. To connect a new domain, look for and select the option that says Connect to Domain. This will take you to the Setup wizard where most of the connecting magic will happen. At this point, you need to decide which domain you want to connect to HubSpot. If you have multiple domains, make sure you pick the correct one to avoid any future confusion. Enter your chosen domain into the provided field. Now all that's left is to click Next and follow the prompts that appear on your screen. Each prompt will guide you step by step through the exact settings and changes needed to successfully complete the setup. Make sure to read each instruction carefully as you go. This ensures that you don't miss any key steps or make errors that could complicate the process. Sometimes the steps may involve a bit of DNS configuration, which could look a little technical, but don't worry. HubSpot's prompts are generally straightforward and user-friendly. Once you've followed all the prompts and completed the setup, your domain should be successfully connected to HubSpot. This connection allows for seamless integration and enhances your ability to manage forms, content, and emails directly through HubSpot. It's a powerful feature that can really streamline your digital marketing efforts, and that's it. You're now all set to take advantage of HubSpot's domain connectivity for your website and email. Enjoy a more organized and efficient setup for your online marketing needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.